Model, 68-plate Peugeot Expert Dispatch 2.0 Hdi Euro 6 needs head gasket repair. No VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 83,317. MOT, the 10th of November 2025. Engine, 1997 ccDW10FE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. How does correctly? No misfiring, just coolant. His pressurizing, straightforward head gasket replacement job. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, aircon, cruise